Guten Morgen. Or is it afternoon already? Then, Guten Tag. Unless you don't watch this until the evening. In that case, Guten Abend. Anyway, Hallo. I send you my greetings today too. Your first task today is to greet back. So say hello to me in any form you wish. Good, you remembered. Today we'll learn how to introduce ourselves and how to ask others what their names are. The easiest way to say it is Mein Name ist plus your first name and your surname. That's the closest to my name is, and that's why it's the easiest for us to remember. You could also say Ich heiße, which literally means I'm called. Both of those, Mein Name ist and Ich heiße, are equally often used, so it doesn't matter which one you use. But always introduce yourself with your first name and surname. Germans are still a lot more formal than we are, and by using both names you give the German the chance to be as formal as they wish to be. If I were to introduce myself by saying Ich heiße Angelika Davey, I can tell by the answer whether the German person wants to be formal or informal. If the answer is something like Hallo Angelika, then they most likely will use the informal you. If, however, the answer is something like Guten Morgen, Frau Davey, then they want to stay formal. As we're assuming you want to go to Germany on holidays and will be spending your time in hotels and with people you don't know and most likely not see again, we will stick to the formal you in this course. The same goes to business people. If you're going to a trade fair, if you're meeting prospective clients, or you're having dealings with a German company, you want to stay formal and introduce yourself with your first name and your surname, and not just with your first name, as it's so commonly done in the UK. Just be aware, though, that you would use different sentences when talking to good friends, members of the family, children, or animals. Anyway, back to the conversation. To ask somebody what their name is, you say, Wie ist Ihr Name? Or you could also say, Wie heißen Sie? If people ask you that question, it doesn't really matter which reply you use, so choose the one that you can remember the easiest. Now we all need is the word for Mr. and Mrs. Luckily, we don't need to worry about Miss or Ms, as they aren't used in Germany. So a man is called Herr and a woman Frau. And that's it. You can have your first mini conversation. For example, I may ask you, Guten Morgen, wie heißen Sie? And you can reply, Ich heiße, with your first name and surname, and then ask me back, und Sie? Because I didn't tell you. And I will say, Ich heiße Angelika Davey. So you can reply, Guten Morgen, Frau Davey. So to recap all this, what were the two ways of asking what's your name? Yes, wie ist Ihr Name? I repeat, wie ist Ihr Name? And I give you some time to do it. And the other one, wie heißen Sie? I repeat, wie heißen Sie? And I let you say it. And the answer? Either Mein Name ist, Mein Name ist. So go on, tell me your name. Or if you prefer, Ich heiße, Ich heiße. So just to practice it, say that one as well. By the way, that funny letter which looks like a capital B is the SZ. It's a sharp S sound. If you check in lecture 4 again, where I've written a little bit about those extra letters, you'll see how to write it as well. Mr. was, yes, Herr, and Mrs. Frau. And Miss? We don't need it. So today's task, write the new phrases into your notebook, practice saying them. Get on your family's nerves again by asking them their names and telling them who you are, of course in German. Alternatively, you can message me here, or you can send me a tweet. If you add the 30-day German hashtag to it, I will get it. Most importantly, have fun. See you tomorrow.